Strangely enough, we need to continue to bust lines to praise the true vine who happens to be our God. And the reason why we are saved from a Christless grave. See, the price was paid, a new way was made for us to enter in God's presence with praise and thanksgiving. He's the reason why we're living, so we remain driven and focus on his mission. So when he comes back, I'm gonna be with him. I don't wanna miss the sun when he comes, so I praise him from my heart with my tongue. And I represent him over hip-hop drums. That's lesson number one, and number two is just like it. Share the gospel, tell all they're invited. If you know he's good, you ought not hide it, and give him the praise he deserves with excitement. Yeah,
it's raining down in here. Let God's praises fill the atmosphere. It's raining down in here. As God's blessings fall, our hands are in the air. It's raining down in here. Let God's praises fill the atmosphere. It's raining down in here. As God's blessings fall, our hands are in the air. It's time to run this race. I'm coming hot off the block. Big city and A1, dumping with B.E.R.I.D.O.X.